In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix "Your PIN is no longer available" on Windows 11 or Windows 10. This error usually appears on the sign-in screen and can be pretty frustrating, especially if you normally use a PIN every day. It basically means Windows can't use the PIN that was previously set up, usually because of a system update, changes to security settings, or corruption in the sign-in files. The good news is, you can usually fix it in just a few minutes by resetting your PIN and reconfiguring Windows Hello. First, on the sign-in screen where you see the error, look for the option that lets you sign in with a different method. This might say something like, Sign in Options. Click that and choose another way to log in, such as your Microsoft account password or a local account password. Go ahead and sign in using that method so you can access your desktop. Once you're signed in, we'll remove the old, broken PIN. Open the Settings app by pressing the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard. In Settings, go to the Accounts section, then find the area for Sign-in Options. This is where Windows manages things like your PIN, fingerprint, or face recognition if your device supports it. Under Sign-in Options, look for the Windows Hello PIN section. You should see an option to remove the PIN. Click Remove and confirm that you want to do this. Windows may ask you to verify your identity by entering your account password again. This step is important because it clears out the corrupted PIN configuration that caused the error in the first place. After the PIN has been removed, stay in the same Sign-in Options page. Now we're going to add a fresh PIN. Under Windows Hello PIN, click Add. Once again, you may be prompted for your account password. After that, you'll see a window asking you to create a new PIN. Choose a secure PIN that you'll remember. Some systems allow you to include letters and symbols. If you prefer just numbers, make sure that option is set the way you like. Enter your new PIN, confirm it, and then save your changes. When you're done, lock your screen or restart your computer to test it. On the sign-in screen, choose the PIN option and enter the one you just created. If everything went well, you should now be able to sign in normally without seeing the "Your PIN is no longer available" error.